Okay, welcome once again to my channel, Tech World. So in this video, we're going to talk about that how we can open scientific calculator and how we can use scientific calculator in our Infinix Note 11 Pro mobile phone. Before going to start it, if you have not done subscribe to my channel, do it first and press the bell icon must. In order to receive the notification for each and new upload, new contents, new videos from our side, in the notification bar of your mobile phone screen. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to any video, don't worry, just ask in comment. We will try to make a video about it in order to solve the issue for you. In order to solve the issue for you. So that you may so that the issue may be resolved as soon as possible. Or we will try to reply answer to your comment in order to solve the issue for you as soon as possible from your side. So you have to open your calculator in your mobile phone. You can see here, sliding the home screen here, you can find calculator app or option in the left at the left side corner of your mobile phone screen. Just click on that. Now you can see here, simple calculator is now open here in front of you in my mobile phone screen. Now what we have to do, at the upper right corner you can see two options. One is under root x while the other is dollar changing sign. We're going to change simple calculator into scientific calculator here. You just have to click on the root x. Once you click on the root x, so you can see here, this is the scientific calculator. You can use here in inverse, radian, xi, and sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, natural log x power y, pi e under root bracket start close x square. So these are all those options that we can use in scientific calculator, and it is very helpful in our school, college and universities mathematics, physics. So that's why it's very easy and very good to use Android mobile phone. If you need scientific notation, you don't need, if you have mobile Android mobile phone, you don't need any scientific calculator, because in Android mobile phone you can use what? Scientific calculator. Now if you want to change it again to simple mode, what you have to do, you just have to click on that plus sign option. Once you click on that, so what you have to do here, so this is now a simple calculator. You can do simple division, multiplication, subtraction and addition by using your simple calculator in your Android mobile phone. Alright, you can use simple calculator in your Android mobile phone. Well, the C option will clear your screen here. Divide, multiply, minus, plus, in everything, it will work here easily. Right? So this is how we can use simple calculator and especially scientific calculator in our Android mobile phone. Right? So you just have to watch this video from start to end. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to this video, related to any word, anything, any point in this video, ask in comment about it. We will try to make a video about it, or simply reply to your answer or comment in the comment box, so that your issue may be solved as soon as possible for you. So thank you for watching. Stay connected with our channel, stay connected with us for more interesting video that we upload every time. Thank you. See you in next video.